வெல்கம் டு கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சிவிக்ஸில் செகண்ட் லெசன் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Choose the correct answer. The constitutional head of the union is the president. Who among the following decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. What is minimum age laid down for a candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? 25 years. The authority to alter the boundaries of state is Parliament. Under which article the President is vested with the power to proclaim financial emergency? Article 360. The Chief Justice and the other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President. Fill in the blanks. Money bill cannot be introduced in the Parliament without President's approval. The Prime Minister is the leader of the nation and chief spokesperson of the country. The Vice President is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Attorney General has the right to speak and to take part in the proceedings of both houses of the Parliament. The Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up to age of 65 years. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. At present, the Supreme Court consists of 28 judges including the Chief Justice. Choose the correct statement. Total numbers of the Rajya Sabha is 250. The 12 nominated members shall be chosen by the President from among persons experienced in the field of literature, science, art or social service. The members of the Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years of age. The members of the Rajya Sabha are directly elected by the peoples. Correct answer 1, 2, 3 are corrected. The Chief Justice and the other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up to age of 62 years. Judiciary is the third organ of the government. The cases involving fundamental rights come under the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The law declared by Supreme Court is binding on all courts with the territory of India. Correct answer 2 and 4 are correct. Match the following. Article 53 executive power of President. Article 63 office of the Vice President. Article 356 state emergency. Article 76 office of the Attorney General. Article 352 internal emergency. Answer the brief questions. How is President of India elected? The President of India is elected by an electoral college in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. The electoral college consists of elected members of both houses of Parliament and the elected members of the states and elected members of National Capital Territory of Delhi and Puducherry. The President is elected for a term of 5 years and can be re-elected. What are the different categories of ministers at the union level? The ministers are classified under 3 ranks. They are Cabinet Ministers, Ministers of State, Deputy Ministers. What is the qualification of Judge of the Supreme Court? He must be a citizen of India. He should have worked as a judge of a high court for at least 5 years. He should have worked as an advocate of High Court for at least 10 years. He is the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. Write short note, Money Bill. Money Bill refers to the bill introduced in the Lok Sabha of Indian Parliament. It generally covers the issue of receipt and spending of money, such as tax laws, laws governing borrowing and expenditure of government, prevention of black money, etc. List out any two special powers of the Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India has the right to speak and to take part in the proceedings of both houses of the Parliament. He enjoys all the privileges and immunities that are available to a Member of Parliament. Answer in detail. Describe the executive and judicial powers of the President of India. Executive powers. Article 77 requires that every executive action of the Union shall be taken in the name of the President. He appoints the Prime Minister and the other members of the Council of Ministers, distributing portfolios to them on the advice of the Prime Minister. He is responsible for making a wide variety of appointments. These include the appointment of governors of state, the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, the Attorney General, the Comptroller and Auditor General, the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, the chairman and other members of the Union Public Service Commission, ambassadors and high commissioners to other countries. Judicial powers. Article 72 confers on the President power to grant pardons, reprieves, receipts or remissions of punishment, or to commute the sentence of any person convicted of an offence. Explain any three jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India. Original jurisdiction. The cases which are brought directly in the first instance to the Supreme Court come under original jurisdiction. This may be dispute between the Government of India and one or more states, of dispute between two or more states. The writs are issued by the Supreme Court for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court is the final appellate court in the country. As regards the appellate jurisdiction, the Supreme Court hears appeals against the decisions of High Court in civil, criminal and constitutional cases with a certificate from the High Court that it is fit to appeal in the Supreme Court. Such as a case can be brought before the Supreme Court only if the High Court certifies that the case invites a substantial of law as to the interpretation of the Constitution. What are the duties and functions of Prime Minister of India? Duties and functions of Prime Minister. Article 78 mentions the duties of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister decides the rank of his minister and distributes various departments. To convey to the President all decisions of the Council of Ministers connecting to the government of the affairs of the Union and proposals for legislation. The Prime Minister is the head of the Cabinet and the other ministers are his colleagues. The Prime Minister informally consults 2 or 3 of his senior colleagues when he does not convene a cabinet meeting. The Prime Minister supervises the work of various ministers. The Prime Minister acts as the link between the President and the Council of Ministers. The Prime Minister is the leader of the nation and chief spokesperson of the country. As the leader of the nation, the Prime Minister represents our nation at all international sessions. Critically examine the powers and function of the Parliament. Powers and function of the Parliament. The Parliament of India has the function of legislation, overseeing of administration, passing of budget, ventilation of public grievances, discussion of various subjects like development plans, international relations, and internal policies. Parliament is also vested with power to impeach the President and to remove judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. Chief Election Commissioner and Comptroller and Auditor General of India in accordance with the procedure laid down in the Constitution. The Parliament exercises control over the executive through asking questions and supplementary questions, moving motions of adjournment, discussion and passing resolution, discussing and pushing censure motion or vote of no confidence. The Parliament has the power to change the boundaries of the state. PTA questions and answers. How many members are elected to the Rajya Sabha from Tamil Nadu? 18. 2 mark. What is universal adult franchise? Universal adult franchise is followed while electing the members of Lok Sabha. All Indian citizens above 18 years of age who are registered as voted will vote for their representatives. Write a short note on Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is presided over the Speaker who is elected by its members. The office of the Speaker occupies an essential position in our parliamentary democracy. The Speaker presides over a joint sitting of the two houses of Parliament. He has the power to decide whether a bill is money bill or an ordinary one. The decision of the Speaker on whether a bill is money bill is final. இதோட இந்த சிவிக்ஸ் 2 புக் பேக் வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் அடுத்த புக் பேக் பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.